Liesel here from VA Wonder. In today's video, I'm showing you exactly how to add a voiceover to your Canva designs, just like I'm doing now. Perfect for presentations, videos, and social media content. So if this is what you're looking for, come with me. First, open your Canva design or create a new one. This works best with presentations or videos, but you can add a voiceover to any project format. Let's start by adding some visuals to your video. You can do this in a few ways. You can either record your video on your phone or on a camera, go to Uploads, and upload the file and then click it over. Or you can go and record your screen. I will show you a little bit later in this tutorial how to do that. Or you can use one of Canva's videos, and that is what I'm going to do now. So let's go to Elements, search for the video. And click the video over to your canvas. Method 1. Record your voiceover with your camera or your phone, save it to your computer, and make sure that the file is a MP3 or MP4. You will find your voice snippet under Uploads, Video. Here is my short snippet, so click it over to your canvas or simply drag it over. Just to make it easier, let's make our audio clip a little bit smaller by dragging in these corners. My voice clip is shorter than the actual video. Here you can see that the video that I've uploaded is 23.1 seconds. And if you look here, you can see the voice clip. That is 7.5 seconds long. The first thing I will suggest is to go to Audio Tools. And if you're on Canva Pro, you can enhance the voice and thus the clarity of your video. So click that on. Then you can also trim your video by either pulling these sliders in on the left or on the right. With this button, you will be able to adjust the volume. And on this button, you can change the video speed. So you can either make the sound slower or faster. You can also adjust the sound by dragging these sliders on the right and on the left of the actual video clip. So in this example, let's play our clip.
Just baked, soft, gooey, perfect.
So this is the point where my sound clip stopped. So I will come in from this side and drag it in. And now I can also drag the sound clip within the video where I want it. So if I want it to be more to the middle, and then you can play your video again to check it. When you're happy with your recording, click on it, right click, go to layer, then you can send it to back. And now the sound clip will be hidden, so you won't be able to see it. If you still want to edit it, you can always go back to your layers, show layers, and there's the sound clip at the bottom. So then just go and click onto it, and then you will be able to adjust it again. Now let me show you how to do a voice recording directly on Canva. And that's the method that I usually use to make these videos. Let's add a page. Let's quickly find a video. Now I want to add a little voice over here. So you will go to Uploads, and then you will see Record Yourself. Click onto that. Then you will have the option to only record your screen, your camera with screen, or just the camera. And if you've got this one on, you will be able to do the voice recording. And then you can click Record. Now I'm doing my voice recording. When you're done, click Done. Save and exit. You will now see if you go under Uploads, Videos, your little short snippet is in here. But Canva's already also clicked it over for me onto my canvas. So I can go and click onto that, go to my audio tools. I will enhance the voice. Let's go and have a listen to the video. Now I'm doing my voice recording. When you're done, click Done. Okay, so that part we don't need. So let's just go back here again, listen to it. Now I'm doing my voice recording. Pause. I know I want to stop it here. So now we can drag it in. And when you are done editing, you can now just go and hide the voice clip. If you're creating a voice clip and you don't have a video to hide it underneath, for example, in a presentation, you can just click R for rectangle, color it the same color as your background, then you can just hide your audio clip underneath that. The last thing that you have to do is to download or export your video. So we will do that by going to Share, Download. Because you have sound in there, you need to choose MP4. If you choose GIF, there will be no sound. Then you can choose which page. You can choose all your pages if it's a full video, but in this case, I just want page 2. Done, and download. I hope this helps. I hope you learned something new today. If you've got any questions, please let me know in the comments. And if you want to learn more about Canva videos, check out this video next. How to combine 2 videos in Canva. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye-bye.